Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Hereford corned beef. First, rinse your corned beef thoroughly under cold water to remove any extra salt. Then, place the rinsed meat into a large pot or Dutch oven. Make sure to add enough cold water to cover the beef by at least 1 inch. Don't forget to include the spice packet that often comes with the corned beef, or you can add your own blend of pickling spices for extra flavor. For a classic, tender result, simmering is key. Bring the water to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover your pot and let it cook for about 2.5 to 3 hours. The goal is fork tender meat, so check for doneness around the 2.5-hour mark. A 3-pound cut will typically require about 3 hours of simmering to reach perfect tenderness. If you prefer oven roasting, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the corned beef in a roasting pan with about 1 inch of liquid, such as water or broth. Cover the pan tightly with foil to trap the moisture. Roast for 3 to 4 hours, or until the meat is tender. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit for safety and optimal texture. Once cooked, remove the corned beef from the pot and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more flavorful and tender slice. When slicing, always cut against the grain. This is crucial for tenderness. Serve your delicious Hereford corned beef with classic sides like boiled cabbage, potatoes, and carrots. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.